Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's see how to sew a French seam. Before you start sewing, make sure your fabric pieces are ready. For a French seam, we are going to do something a little unusual. Place your fabric pieces wrong sides together and mark 0.5 cm seam allowance across the edge and sew. Once you have sewn, it's time to trim the seam allowance. Now, fold the fabric so that right sides are facing together and sew with the 1 cm seam allowance. There are many other ways to finish a seam. In a previous video, I showed you how to use a zigzag stitch to overlock your seams. If you haven't watched it yet, you can check it out by clicking the I button right now. And there you have it. A clean French seam. No raw edges inside. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Happy sewing!